did she do? What the did my child do? What the did she do?
Cash the fraudulent check.
No, she didn't catch a fraudulent check. So what? That was how the that she on my fraudulent check. That don't need check.
What you just seen is from a real event. This is real. Bodycam footage. Yo, subscribe to Logic on Steroids. Like this video, share it for no reason at all. Now you are able to support this channel if you want to. Just look right under in the bottom of the video. You're gonna see that thanks button. Hit it and show some love if you want to see us continue. Alright, this video right here is crazy. We're just gonna get into it. Let's go.
Are you ready?
Well, what's going on with this job?
She's the people right here that sent it.
That sent it to you?
Yes.
Who's that?
Ashley Webb. Online
I don't know who
job. That's the people online. Everything's right on that paper. These are her emails, right?
What are the emails? What are the emails?
This is the appointment application when I got a job.
So if I do a little research and I call Badger Services,
Yes, you can, sir. I am not.
and they tell me,
I don't know how to make it.
hold on, and they tell me that they don't have you on their payroll.
The employment agreement form. This all come from.
Is that a cup of liquor or alcohol in that cup? What's in that cup? Cause she don't sound too sober.
I don't see Badger on there.
I'm gonna show you everything I am.
Trying to apply for something.
I got to just keep going through emails. Ashley Webb, the Badger B&B. So what we supposed to do to make it fake? What we supposed to do? Somebody mailed it. I showed you the envelope and everything.
Yeah, she's slurring.
They ready to arrest somebody. Nobody ain't do nothing about it.
Well, if he's in a check and then if everything checks out, then you guys would be free to go.
Does not mean you're under arrest. It just means I have to ask you some questions and you're not free to leave. Okay?
Yeah, got hurt. He didn't. I got his name and date of birth.
Okay, so, real quick, before I go any further, alright? You have the right to remain silent and not answer any questions. Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given.
Did they have his 14 or no?
No. Give it to him. I'll still look.
Gemini, what's a 14? If you can answer that.
Stand over there, folks. Any statements you make must be freely and voluntarily given. You have the right to the presence and representation of a lawyer, Richard. Any statements can and will be used against you in a court of law. Do you understand those? Okay. So, you said that this is Badger. What's the company?
I can show you emails.
You said Badger Construction?
Yes.
Would it be part of a scam, and that's why you guys are here?
Yeah, anything that's like false related.
Yeah, false related. Yeah, we have to investigate.
We have to investigate it.
I don't mind making them check. They sent me and they tell you everything. They're gonna send me a check. They're gonna take the discounts out.
If you're gonna try to cash a check out, trying to do some fraud and whatever, cash a damn check. At least the job must fit who you are or what you portray. You know what I'm saying? You can't say you do a construction job, but you dress like a OnlyFans model. Come on now.
They have it. Anybody can get on that page. I'm asking if you.
That's what they told me to do, and that's when they said that I got the check. I had put promotion. I'm like promoting them.
Okay, so you're still not showing me the.
It's for to show you.
You said you show us your emails.
Okay, I saw show you that thing.
She said that she got paid for making a Facebook page. I'm trying to have her show me the Facebook page. Alright, so I'm gonna make some phone calls. I'm gonna find out from Badger directly.
And you'll call the lady that invited me. She left her number there.
And what's her name? Ashley Webb?
Ashley Webb, I guess.
Okay.
You have an email
Yes.
correspondence from this lady?
From Ashley Webb.
Who's Ashley Webb?
Someone who's Ashley Webb? She's a manager at Badger? An HR manager for a hiring service. They're not gonna pay you from the company, they're gonna pay you from a hiring service. Okay. What's the name of the company for the hiring service?
It's her. This is all I know. You can just keep going through the emails.
Alright, go to the emails and see if there's a name of the company.
Right. This is all I can do.
Alright. Oh, let me see.
Good morning, Badger Services.
Hi, this is Officer Sanchez with the Palm Beach Gardens Police Department in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida. What kind of... Do you guys have an Ashley Webb that works for you?
No, we do not.
I took it to a Bank of America. I took it to PNC. I took it to Walmart. Walmart said it was too much. The other banks I had a bank account.
That's what the other banks told you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What's up with this filter?
I've been here for 16 years.
16 years. All right, so let me just grab some information from you.
What do you mean by that?
Like they need sign up for a drug and alcohol.
Oh, like a probation thing. And... These are your people, aren't they? Did you call them?
They ain't coming for me.
Sorry. Watch out, buddy.
So at this point right now, I'm gonna confiscate this check. It's all gonna be turned into evidence, and the person who was passing the check is gonna be arrested. Okay? So you may be in contact with someone in the next couple days.
I'm calling a lawyer.
How much is the check?
I ain't do shit. I got all the information.
Gotta be over 1,000.
I can't help that she got me up to me. This shit crazy. Baby, I ain't gotta do nothing because I ain't do shit. You can't do nothing about it. Bitch mailed me a check that I worked for online. What am I supposed to do?
This is the last ditch effort to help you out as best as I can. Is there anything you want to tell me?
No, I could get a lawyer and I could like.
Get a lawyer. That's fine.
I didn't do shit.
I'm asking right now, is anything you want to tell me right
You go
now?
through my phone and find everything. Use a text message texting her.
You know nothing about the check?
My son, I could die right now. Like, I don't know anything about the shit.
Who was that person that just rolled out?
That's my mom.
Okay, how does she know about it?
Yo, they say anything to get out of free. She just sweared on her life and all that. God.
Because
I should know that we're out here with you. So, there's last chance. Nothing you want to tell me about it?
What I supposed to know about it? I don't know. All I can know is the emails they hiring me
Stand up for me.
and everything. Like,
The passing
it's all on my phone. What are y'all talking about? I'm not on my phone.
Hey.
I swear to God, I don't know nothing about this shit. I gave them everything.
Okay, hear me out. Okay. For the investigation, you're going to be going down to the jail. That's the end rule, okay? That's
Why? So no money?
So, hear me out.
Did she do? What the did my child do? What the did she do?
Cash the fraudulent check.
She is safe. Child do? What the did she do?
Cash the fraudulent check.
No, she didn't catch a fraudulent
You
check.
need to go back over
So
the
what?
phone.
That was the how the that she on my fraudulent check. That don't mean shit.
Do you want to leave your belongings?
She said, so what? That don't mean shit. Yeah, it does. It means she did a crime.
Mom?
Yes, but what's I'm going to jail
The
for?
hell?
Because
I did not catch no fraudulent check.
Listen,
She did not catch your check.
Mom, I cannot communicate with you if you're going to be yelling. Let me explain it to you, okay? So she got a check. Listen, hold on, let me talk. She got a check.
But still at the same time, that check number got cash.
Doesn't matter if we got cash.
Hey, that mean a lot.
Okay.
As long as he didn't get
so then what?
cash.
Oh my God, I need my phone like so I can show you information.
Phone, don't worry. Check in with us.
do you
Oh
want...
my God, serious?
Do you... Hear me out. Answer
My
the questions that I got.
son.
Answer the questions that I got. Do you want to leave your jewelry and stuff with Mom?
I don't care. Like, what am I going to jail for? Like, what am I going to jail for?
Okay.
If that check got cash, that's a
fine.
different thing.
Okay, well listen, she's going to go down to the county jail with my probable cause.
Hey, listen, I'm going to tell y'all something. Y'all take my daughter. I'm going to tell y'all something right now, sir.
Okay, I'm listening.
I am going to sue the out of this store right now.
Like, it's nothing.
It is. There's a
How
bag
much have you heard that
here.
before?
It's not beads.
In the bag. We put that in the front seat.
Huh?
What's those?
That's the bead.
Girl, you know damn well it's not a bead.
What is it?
You're not getting that envelope. You're not getting that
They told me she going down for a 2-for-1 deal.
Look for it. Look at the
Drugs
price.
and fraudulent.
I want to put a. You want to leave it with your mom?
Yes, help me out, talk to him.
You want to take your necklace off too?
Yes.
Don't check. He's supposed to go down.
Well, listen,
I'm gonna call the news. I'm gonna call everybody right now.
Goodbye.
I'm gonna call everybody. I'm gonna call them right here at this goddamn store. The news.
Just stop and
Hey, y'all taking each other so down.
Hey, listen.
I didn't do
I'm trying to be
shit.
nice. We try to be nice. Now you're not running it. I'm running this, okay?
No,
I tried to be nice, and I'm tired of you and her yelling. So we're done with it.
And
Okay.
I know.
Okay.
And I'm gonna call the judge because I know my rights. And she now literally.
Ma'am, this stuff's falling out of the stuff's falling out.
And cash the check, you take her to jail.
Please, thank you.
Give me a phone. Let me call my brand at 10 to 12 News. I ain't going nowhere. 10 to 12 News put me right here and everything. I'm gonna bring all my family up here.
All right, you good to go.
Yo, delusion is contagious. I mean, it can't just be damn near 80% of them just delusional like that. Like it's a lot of them. Come on.
I don't.
You think the news crew gonna have time for y'all petty asses?
I can't, Chef. That is fraud.
The date was August 17, 2025, and at 10:15 a.m., a quiet morning at a local convenience store turned into a criminal investigation. A store owner, suspicious of a check for $2,430.74, called the police after noticing the document looked forged and the contact number for the vendor was disconnected. The woman attempting to cash it insisted she was innocent, claiming she earned the money by creating a Facebook page for a company called Badger Services. She even showed officers emails from a supposed HR manager named Ashley Webb as proof of her employment. However, a quick call to the actual company shattered her story. Management confirmed they had no record of the woman or the HR manager she mentioned. Despite emotional pleas from the woman and her mother, the officer confiscated the check and placed her under arrest for fraud. Her defense of not knowing would now be left for a judge to decide.
Yo, this is for educational purposes right here, man. So if you ever run across a check or something like that, you're attempted to cash it, don't do it, because this could happen to you right here, you know what I mean? So try your best not to be tempted by it. Try to return it. You might get rewarded for returning it. You know what I mean? You never know. All right, check this out, you guys.
We appreciate the likes and shares on our Crazy Clock shorts.
Are you ready?
Now you can show support for the Logic on Steroids channel. Just click on our video, then search for the thanks button icon located right along the like and share buttons beneath the video. Hit thanks and support us with whatever you feel can help us elevate to a new level. We appreciate your support and thanks.
Love y'all. Peace.